Today, we will talk about how to build an underground bunker. Let's have a look at the details. Planning for the apocalypse, a nuclear fallout, natural disaster. Whatever your reasoning, digging an underground bunker and ensuring it's designed and stocked to help you survive is a big project. But big doesn't mean impossible with the right planning and tools. You'll be on your way to crafting a hidden underground bunker that keeps you safe in the worst of times. The first step is planning your bunker. Choose a dry location with gravel soil for your underground bunker. Locate an area with soil low in clay and water. Rocky soil is fine but more difficult to excavate, so be prepared for more work if you choose this soil type. Dig a hole up to 4 feet deep to check the water table level. Don't dig your bunker in an area with a shallow water table, which is 3 feet or less. Draw a floor plan for your underground bunker. Before jumping into anything, ask yourself how big you want your bunker to be. Is it going to fit more than one person? How much space do you want? What are you going to put in your underground bunker? After answering these questions, sketch a floor plan along with the length, height, and width. Purchase a shipping container for a simple structural solution. The shipping container acts as the main body of the bunker and is the least labor-intensive option for structure. Contact local shipping container companies and select a product with enough space that fits your price range and needs. Buy 1.5 by 2.5 inch earth bags for a low-cost solution. Earth bags are low-cost structural materials that can be purchased from online suppliers. If you're looking for the simplest method of creating your bunker structure, this is the way to go. After determining the length and width of your bunker, buy the appropriate number of bags needed to cover this space. Build your bunker from cinder blocks or bricks for better insulation. The second step is digging and constructing your bunker. Dig a hole 2 feet, 0.61 meters, deeper than your bunker's height. Place your shipping container into the hole if you're using one. Fill and stack your earth bags with 15 to 25% clay soil if applicable. Lay bricks or cinder blocks and attach each piece with mortar for this type of bunker. Use 4 mm sheet metal roofing for earth bag or cinder block structures. Install air vents in your roof. Cover your bunker with 5 to 6 mm silo plastic. Silo plastic protects your bunker from water and other environmental waste, while still allowing oxygen transmission. Hide the roof of your underground bunker from view. To prevent people from discovering your bunker, cover it with dirt and local fauna. Power your bunker with batteries, solar panels, and generators. Invest in water tanks, filters, and heaters. And the third step is outfitting and stocking your bunker. Fill your bunker with at least 3 days' worth of non-perishable foods and water. Start by filling your bunker with 3 days' worth of food, and gradually add to it over time. Stock your bunker with survival gear, flashlights, a radio, toilet paper, soap, a fire extinguisher, and clothing are all the basics. In addition, you should stock some tweezers, scissors, a thermometer, latex gloves, and lubricant. Create a sleeping area for rest. Be sure to add some blankets or sleeping bags. One change of clothing for each person. Work boots or sturdy shoes, thermal underwear, and rain gear. Aside from these basics, add whatever else you want for comfort. Add a portable camping or composting toilet to your bathroom area. Stock your kitchen area with cooking tools. Start by stocking your kitchen with an electric burner or microwave oven, never propane or gas stoves, which create dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. Create a common area for relaxing. Add a small carpet, a couch, and some chairs to relax. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.